there's a jellyfish that can turn back time. It's not your typical jellyfish. It's called Turritopsis dohrnii, and it's also known as the immortal jellyfish. And it lives up to its name by being biologically immortal. That means it can live forever. Or at least it can if it wants to. When this jellyfish is injured or when it gets old, its cells can revert to a younger state. This makes it possible for new cells to grow in and for it to essentially be reborn. Scientists are studying this process in hopes of unlocking the secret to human longevity. Jellyfish have a natural life cycle. They start out as eggs, then they hatch into polyps. Then they bud off into these little things called ephra, which are like the baby version of an adult jellyfish. And finally, they mature into adult jellyfish. But the immortal jellyfish can skip a step in this process. When it transforms, its cells go back to an earlier stage of development, essentially re-aging the animal. This allows it to keep on living indefinitely. Scientists think that this might be possible because the immortal jellyfish has a gene that other animals don't have. This gene makes it possible for the jellyfish to turn back time on its cells. By understanding how this gene works, scientists hope to find a way to help other animals, like us humans, live longer, healthier lives. The immortal jellyfish is just one example of an animal that can live forever. There are others, like the Greenland shark and the red deer. The Greenland shark can live for hundreds of years, and the red deer can live for thousands. But these animals don't do it the same way that the immortal jellyfish does. The Red Sea is a crustacean, kind of like a lobster or a crab. When it gets old, it starts to fall apart, its shell gets soft and its muscles get weak. But then, something amazing happens. It crawls over to a hydrothermal vent, these openings in the seafloor that release super hot water. The Red Sea absorbs all this heat and it molts, kind of like a snake. But it doesn't stop there. After it molts, it doesn't just grow a new shell, it grows a whole new body. Its new body is made up of cells that are much younger than its old body. So by absorbing the heat from the hydrothermal vents, the Red Sea can essentially re-age itself. By studying animals like the immortal jellyfish and the Red Sea, scientists hope to learn how to make humans immortal, too. Maybe one day we'll be able to turn back time on our cells and live forever.